Hello students, I want to share with you some tips on how to use MyBlueprint for planning for post-secondary. So your screen will look like this. You can go into your dashboard here by clicking on the three bars in the top left. You can click on college and university under post-secondary and choose any program that you're curious about. So we can type in under programs, we can type in biomedical, we can type in biomedical engineer and search. And we'll wait for it to load. And then click on any province that you want. So if you want Alberta or maybe both, British Columbia, you can change the parameters of your search. And then you can start choosing. You can say I like University of Calgary, I want to add UBC. And then if you're curious about the program, what's required to apply to that program, just click on the box itself. And under here, click on requirements, and it will tell you exactly what courses are required to apply to that course. So what you'll see here are these green boxes that have the check. That means that I have already added those into my high school plan. If it is unchecked, it means I don't have it in my plan. So that means you need to go back. So this one says that, of course, it needs English 30-1. Almost all universities in Canada would require that. That's standard. Math 30-1 or Math 31. Chemistry 30, Physics 30, Chemistry 20, Physics 20. So this is saying I don't have Physics 30 in my high school plan, so then I can go back into my high school plan. And I can change my plan to then add in Physics 20 and Physics 30 into my course selection. So I want to go under Sciences, make sure I have Physics 30. I'm going to add that. And then it's red here because it says I don't have Physics 20. So that means I don't have it in my plan yet. I can either add it into grade 12 or I can try to change my grade 11 plan if I still have an opportunity to add that into my plan. So I'm going to click on Science, and then here I'm going to put in Physics 20, add that course into my plan. And now you can see that Physics 30 is now not in red anymore because it says you have the prerequisite, which is Physics 20. All right, so then when you go into post-secondary and you're looking at college and university plans, that one will come up as a green box saying that you've got it in your plan. All right, if you need any more help with MyBlueprint on how to use it for course planning, schedule a PSP meeting with me. That's a post-secondary planning meeting. Usually if we meet for 20 to 30 minutes, I can help you go over MyBlueprint and also Unifrog if we have time to make sure you have everything you need to not only graduate but to get into the university that you want. All right, thank you for your time.